Cool sculpting, quite a tongue twister word, or should I say fat freezing? So, cool sculpting or cryolipolysis. Let's talk about this today because it is another buzzword in today's world. I am Dr. Smriti Nathani, plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing at Tamira, Chennai. Let's talk about cool sculpting or fat freezing today. In today's world, what we see usually is many patients are fit because most of the people are going to the gym and keeping themselves physically active because that is the trend and everybody has been more aware. But still, there are some diet resistant and exercise resistant pocket of fat which just stays even after doing lot of workouts in gym and even after doing all kinds of diet habits and fasting. What can we do for these pockets of fat if we don't want to undergo surgery is what we are going to talk today. So, cool sculpting is a process of freezing the fat with those fat pockets only which are otherwise very resistant, don't go after the exercise, and these are the ideal patients for cool sculpting also. How do we do? How it works? Let's talk about it. So, cool sculpting is a good FDA approved, science backed and proven procedure which deals with the tiny pockets of fat to melt the fat inside the body without any skin changes, without any cutting, and give you a shape. Common areas where the cool sculpting is done very commonly: tiny love handles, lower abdomen, chin, under chin area, underarm area where a tiny pocket of fat is usually seen which is very stubborn, also in the sides of the thighs. So these are the most common areas where my patients get cool sculpting done. How does it work? So usually it is a machine which is called as cool sculpting, which is an FDA approved patented machine, very safe. There are applicators which are applied on the designated part of the body where you want your fat to be melted or frozen and then melted. So under the negative pressure, negative temperature, this machine acts to on that freezes that particular fat. So a procedure takes about 30 to 35 minutes is one cycle. The applicator is put on a particular portion of the body where we want the desired result, and what happens once the fat is frozen, it takes around 3 to 10 weeks for that fat to be metabolized by the body and it is excreted in our urine. So results, yes, they get around 3 to 12 weeks for the result. Next session may be required depending upon how much of fat loss is needed in that particular part of the body. If done properly, it is a safe procedure to be done. More details about cool sculpting, or if you want to know that if you are a right candidate for cool sculpting, kindly DM me and I will answer all your questions. And if you want any particular question or particular topic to be told, let me know that also. Thank you.